This may be the best way to make money with AI. You don't need to write scripts, you don't need to make videos, and most of the work is done for you. Take a look at this YouTube channel right here. They got 3.4 million views the last 30 days and is making anywhere from $3,000 to $42,000 per month. They make videos like James Webb Telescope just detected something terrifying. So let me show you how to do this step by step. Step number 1, go to cohesive.so. Just scroll a little bit down and you will find script for YouTube video. Step number 2, enter your target audience like space, enthusiasts, and video length, just do 10 minutes. Here you need to write a title for the video, like how they build the James Webb Telescope. Now just click on generate. So now it will start writing the script for you. Step number 3, just select the narration part here and then just click on make it longer, because we want the video to be above 8 minutes. Step number 4, use 11 labs to turn this into audio. I just posted the script in here and click on generate.
The Sunshield deployment was one of the most critical and challenging parts of the project.
Good robot voice. Step number 5, go to storyblocks.com. This is a royalty-free video clip site that has 30,000 results found for space. Step number 6, download DaVinci Resolve 18 and just put everything together. We've seen so many people have success with this, and if you start this, join the Discord down below.